guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing this really cute rainbow heart nail art design. For this I'm going to be using my silicone mat, and if you don't have one of these, don't worry about it. You can use a sandwich baggie, just as easy, and it works just as well. I'm also going to be using the Broadway Nail Polish, and I'm going to start off with Space Flight, Sand in Heaven, Banana Smoothie, Jenny's Pout, and Easter Annie. And you will also need a top coat, a clear top coat. And for that, I'm also using the Broadway Nail Polish for the top coat. I'm also going to be using my nail stamper along with one of my sculpture pens. The first thing I'm going to do is take my clear nail polish, and I'm going to pour a little bit out onto the mat and make little square shapes. And if you're using the sandwich baggie, you can do the same thing on it as well. Flatten it out as good as you can so there's no creases or wrinkles in the bag. And then pour your top coat on and spread it out into a little square or round shape. And let it dry completely. I'm going to do this all over my mat and let it dry, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to take my nail stamper, and with the colors that I am going to use, I'm going to put little dots onto the stamper, and you can put them in any order or any color that you want. And then I'm going to stamp it onto the mat as seen here. Now once I get a good color scheme that I'm happy with, then I'm going to take my top coat again and add a layer on top of my colors and let it dry. So now you should be able just to peel that polish right off of the mat or whatever it is that you're using. One side of the polish may look matte and the other side will have a shine on it, depending upon if you use the shine or matte polish. I'm going to use the shine side of it. Now I'm going to take that polish and I'm going to line it up on my nail where I want the colors at. And once I figure that out, then I'm going to trim up the polish a little bit. Once I'm ready to place that polish on my nail, I'm going to add a top coat to my nails and very gently put that polish right on my nail. And then I'm going to take my sculpting pen and sculpt it around the side of the nails and into the cuticle area. And make sure it's really smooth and fits the nail perfectly without any air bubbles. You may need to trim the polish several times to get a really good fit around your nail with some clippers or scissors or anything that you have available. You could even use acetone to sort of absorb the polish, but that gets a little messy, so I don't use that until I get it trimmed right up to the nail. Once I have the polish on the nail the way that I want it and it fits perfectly around the nail, then I'm going to take a top coat to secure it on my nail. And that's it. Now I'm going to do the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. Now that my nails are complete and dry, I am now going to be using the stamping plate from Born Pretty JQ01, and I'm going to be using this really cute heart design. and my black polish from Broadway Nails. I'm just taking my black polish, putting a little bit on the design using the scraper, picking it up with the stamper, and lining it up with my nail and pressing down firmly. And that's it. Now on a couple of these stamps you can obviously see where I messed up and didn't line it up correctly. I'm not using my see-through stamper, and that was a mistake for this because I wasn't able to line it up very well. So I do apologize about that, but I think that this design is a really great design. Once the stamping is complete, I'm going to clean up with some acetone, add a top coat, and then I'm done. So that is it for this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit your bell for notifications when I upload new content. I hope you enjoy the pictures here at the end of the video, and I'll see y'all guys next Saturday.